When you look at a piece of music, you're looking at a musical staff. These are both examples of a musical staff. These are common school instruments that play in treble clef. There are 5 lines that make up a musical staff. You will always see a treble clef on the far left of your staff. The treble clef is supposed to look like a fancy G. Therefore, it will always circle the G line. Now that we know that this note is a G, we can easily figure out how to read music anywhere else on the treble clef staff. This is our musical alphabet. Once we reach G, the alphabet starts over again. Each letter represents a different pitch or sound, so it can be helpful to visualize the alphabet going up the musical staff. The staff is made out of 5 lines. That creates 4 spaces between each line. Notes step up the staff in order: line, space, etc. With this knowledge, you can count up or down the musical alphabet to figure out every note on the staff. Let's practice. We know that this note is a G. So if we move up to the space above a G, we're going to go up the musical alphabet to the next note, which is A. If you have a note on the staff way up here, simply count up the musical alphabet until you get to that note. So this note is a G. Similarly, knowing that this is a G, you can count down the musical alphabet until you find the lower notes on the staff. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge to be able to read any note on the treble clef.